In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When the earth is shaken with its earthquake, and when the earth throws out its burdens, and man will say, "What is the matter with it?" That day, it will declare its information, because your Lord will inspire it. That day, mankind will proceed in scattered groups, that they may be shown their deeds. So, whosoever does good, equal to the weight of an atom, shall see it, and whosoever does evil, equal to the weight of an atom, shall see it